Do you often find yourself waking up multiple times a night just to use the bathroom, leaving you feeling tired and frustrated the next day? This common issue, known as nocturia, really disrupts our precious sleep and can even be a sign that your kidneys and bladder are working harder than they should. But what if a simple change to your evening routine could make a noticeable difference? Well, today we're going to explore 5 expert-recommended beverages that may help reduce those nighttime bathroom trips and support your kidney health. We'll highlight the science behind each option and give you practical tips for seamlessly adding them into your nightly routine. Number 1, Pear Juice. Pear Juice offers a gentle touch for your urinary system, primarily because it's naturally low in acid. Unlike many fruit juices that can irritate the bladder, the mild nature of pear juice makes it a soft choice, reducing the likelihood of stimulating nighttime urgency. This makes it particularly kind to a sensitive urinary tract. Beyond its low acidity, pear juice is also a quiet powerhouse of antioxidants. These beneficial compounds play a crucial role in supporting overall kidney health by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. By protecting kidney cells from oxidative stress, antioxidants truly contribute to the long-term well-being and efficient function of these vital organs. The beauty of pear juice lies in its ability to offer mild hydration without overwhelming your system. It provides just enough fluid to keep you adequately hydrated without causing an excessive increase in urine production, which is exactly what you want to avoid before bed. This balanced hydration helps maintain proper fluid levels throughout the night without prompting extra trips to the restroom. To prepare pear juice for nighttime consumption, consider using fresh, ripe pears for the best results. You can blend them with a little water and strain the pulp for a super smooth drink. A serving size of about half a cup, around 4 ounces, about an hour or 2 before bed is often recommended. This allows your body enough time to process the liquid without it accumulating in your bladder right as you're trying to fall asleep. Incorporating this subtly sweet and gentle drink into your evening can be a delightful step towards more peaceful nights. But let's explore another equally beneficial option that works wonders for fluid balance. Number 2, coconut water. Coconut water truly stands out as a natural elixir, brimming with essential electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. These minerals aren't just buzzwords, they are vital for regulating fluid balance throughout your body, and specifically for helping your bladder muscles relax. Proper electrolyte balance is key to preventing the kind of fluid shifts that can lead to increased nighttime urination. When the body experiences dehydration, it can sometimes paradoxically trigger nocturia. Coconut water helps balance electrolytes, which may alleviate this issue by ensuring your body's fluid regulation mechanisms are working optimally. By restoring these crucial balances, coconut water can contribute to more stable fluid levels and potentially reduce that urge to urinate overnight. Now, it's important to exercise caution regarding the sugar content in coconut water. While it's a natural product, many commercial brands add sugars that can counteract the benefits, especially for those managing blood sugar levels. Always opt for unsweetened versions to reap the full health advantages without an unwanted sugar spike. Checking the label carefully is a simple but super effective step. For optimal timing and portion size, drinking a small amount, perhaps half a cup, around 4 ounces, about an hour before bedtime, is ideal. This allows the electrolytes to begin their work in balancing your system without introducing too much fluid right before you lay down. Sipping it slowly can also help your body absorb those nutrients more effectively. Moving on, we'll uncover how certain herbal teas can not only calm your mind, but also offer direct support to your bladder. Number 3, Herbal Decaf Tea, e.g. chamomile, corn silk. Herbal teas like chamomile and corn silk are renowned for their soothing properties, which extend beyond simply promoting relaxation for sleep. Chamomile, in particular, is known for its calming effects, while corn silk has been traditionally used to support urinary tract health. Both can offer anti-inflammatory benefits that may help reduce irritation and inflammation in the bladder, contributing to fewer nighttime disruptions. A key advantage of these herbal options is their complete lack of caffeine. Unlike regular teas or coffee, decaf herbal teas simply will not stimulate the bladder or increase urine production, which is a common problem with caffeinated beverages before bed. This absence of stimulants is crucial for anyone looking to reduce nighttime trips to the restroom and achieve uninterrupted sleep. These teas contain various phytochemicals, which are natural compounds that contribute to the therapeutic effects. In the context of nighttime urgency, certain phytochemicals may help calm an overactive bladder by reducing spasms and promoting relaxation of the bladder muscles. This calming action can be particularly beneficial in mitigating the sudden urges to urinate that often disturb sleep. When selecting bladder-friendly teas, look for pure chamomile or corn silk options, avoiding any blends with added artificial flavors or sweeteners. Brewing involves steeping a tea bag or loose herbs in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Allowing it to cool slightly before drinking ensures a comfortable temperature. A small cup, perhaps 6 ounces, can be enjoyed an hour or two before bedtime to allow its calming and bladder-supporting effects to take hold. Now, let's turn our attention to a humble seed that packs a powerful punch for urinary health. Number 4, pumpkin seed infusion. Pumpkin seeds are so much more than just a snack. They are a nutritional treasure trove, particularly rich in zinc and beneficial phytosterols. These compounds are highly valued for their direct support of urinary tract health. Zinc plays a role in immune function and tissue repair, while phytosterols are plant compounds known for their anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit the prostate and bladder. For centuries, pumpkin seeds have been recognized in traditional medicine for their efficacy in reducing symptoms associated with an overactive bladder. Their natural components work synergistically to help strengthen bladder muscles and improve urinary flow, making them a time-honored remedy for those experiencing frequent urination, especially at night. Preparing a pumpkin seed infusion or tea is quite simple. You can gently crush about a tablespoon of raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds and steep them in a cup of hot water for 10 to 15 minutes, similar to making a herbal tea. Strain the liquid before drinking to ensure a smooth, palatable beverage. This method truly extracts the beneficial compounds into the water, creating a soothing drink. For safe consumption and maximum benefit, it's advisable to drink a small cup, around 6 ounces, of pumpkin seed infusion about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This timing allows the active compounds to begin influencing your urinary system before you settle down for the night. As with any natural remedy, consistency over time tends to yield the very best results. Our final suggestion takes us to a succulent plant known for its incredible soothing properties. Number 5, Aloe Vera Juice. Aloe Vera Juice has gained considerable attention for its demonstrated cooling and anti-inflammatory effects, which can be highly beneficial for urinary tract health. It contains compounds that help soothe irritated tissues and reduce inflammation within the bladder lining, potentially alleviating discomfort and urgency that contribute to nighttime urination. This calming action can create a more comfortable environment for your urinary system. While aloe vera is sometimes noted for a mild diuretic effect, its primary benefit in this context comes from its ability to soothe the bladder lining. By reducing inflammation and promoting healing, it can indirectly support kidney function and help the bladder hold urine more comfortably throughout the night. It's not about increasing urine output, but rather making the bladder less irritable. When selecting aloe vera juice, it is crucial to find versions that are additive-free and low in sugar. Many commercial products contain excessive sugars or artificial ingredients that can negate the health benefits and potentially irritate the bladder. Look for pure, organic, unsweetened aloe vera juice from a reputable source to ensure you are getting the most beneficial product. For optimal results, a small serving, typically 2 to 4 ounces, about an hour before bed is recommended. Sipping it slowly allows your body to absorb its soothing properties gradually. It's important to start with a smaller amount to assess your body's reaction and then adjust as needed, always staying within the recommended guidelines. When and how to drink for fewer nighttime trips. To maximize your chances of uninterrupted sleep, it's wise to limit your overall fluid intake 1 to 2 hours before you plan to go to bed. This gives your body sufficient time to process and eliminate any excess liquids before you lie down for the night, reducing the pressure on your bladder. When enjoying the recommended nighttime drinks, opt for smaller, measured servings rather than large glasses. Consuming moderate amounts helps your body absorb the beneficial compounds without overwhelming your bladder with a sudden influx of liquid, ensuring a more gradual and gentle effect. Emphasize sipping your chosen beverage rather than gulping it down quickly. Sipping moderates the speed at which your bladder fills, allowing it to adapt and manage fluid intake more effectively. This thoughtful approach can significantly contribute to fewer urgent sensations throughout the night. Drinks and ingredients to avoid in the evening. Certain beverages and ingredients are known culprits for worsening nighttime urination and should definitely be avoided in the evening. Caffeine, found in coffee, black tea, and some sodas, acts as a diuretic and bladder stimulant, increasing urine production. Alcohol, similarly, can dehydrate you and also stimulate the bladder. Acidic citrus juices, such as orange or grapefruit juice, can irritate the bladder lining, leading to increased urgency. Artificial sweeteners, commonly found in diet drinks, may also be bladder irritants for some individuals. Avoiding carbonated beverages is also wise, as the bubbles can distend the bladder and create a sensation of fullness. Highly sugary drinks are also problematic, as they can contribute to inflammation and may not support optimal kidney or bladder health. By consciously steering clear of these evening beverages, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of nighttime bathroom trips. Kidney-friendly lifestyle habits for better sleep. Beyond specific drinks, incorporating broader kidney-friendly lifestyle habits can further enhance your sleep quality and urinary health. Adopting a diet rich in plant-based foods and low in sodium supports overall kidney function, reducing the burden on these vital organs and helping maintain fluid balance. Regular exercise not only boosts overall health, but can also improve circulation and help manage stress, both of which indirectly benefit kidney and bladder health. Managing evening stress through relaxation techniques or gentle activities can prevent stress-induced bladder spasms and improve sleep quality. It is always important to remember that persistent nocturia can sometimes indicate underlying health issues. If you consistently struggle with nighttime urination, consulting a healthcare professional is crucial for a proper diagnosis and personalized advice, ensuring you receive the care you need. Finding the right nighttime beverage can make a noticeable difference in reducing overnight trips to the restroom while simultaneously supporting your kidneys. By choosing gentle, functional drinks and following smart evening habits, you can improve sleep quality and maintain better urinary health. If you found these tips helpful, share this article with friends who struggle with nighttime urination. Leave a comment with your favorite evening drink, or subscribe for more evidence-backed wellness insights to support your kidney health and restful sleep routines.